going to put a link to a video on how to purchase Bitcoin on the Cash App on your phone and transfer it to the exchange that I'm going to show you how to download. If you do it that way, it's a lot cheaper than if you buy it directly on the exchange with, say, your debit card. So yeah, if you stay tuned till the end, I'll have the link to that video at the end to show you how to transfer your Bitcoin from Cash App to the exchange. Just in case, you would probably want to use a VPN when you go to this exchange. The VPN looks a little something like this. I use UrbanVPN, it's free, and you just click which country you want it to show you in. I'm in Netherlands, and it's that simple. On your iPhone or Android, you could just go to the App Store and type in free VPN. This is Mac, you can go to free VPN, and again, just click where you want to be. Put the website down in the comments below to the VPN, and then I'll also put a referral link to Bitmart down in the comments below. If you use my referral link, you just click on it, it'll take you straight there to sign up. But don't forget to turn on your VPN first, and then hit the referral link, and you'll also earn rewards by doing that, and you'll support the channel at the same time. Open the Bitmart app. After you do that, you go to Bitmart, you sign up. You're gonna hit, I'm already signed in, but you're gonna hit register, and then you're gonna sign up, put your email, your password, and then after you do that, it's gonna ask you to confirm your email. So you open another tab, you go to your email, open the email, it'll have a 6-digit code. You type in the 6-digit code to confirm your email. Don't forget at the end of this video to watch or hit the link to my other video showing how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and transfer it to Bitmart. In the video, I transfer it to Bybit, but it's the same exact thing to transfer it to Bit. You do have to start out with Bitcoin, no matter what, in order to get to the USDT, which is a tethered dollar. It stays around $1 no matter what, and that's how you buy your SafeMoon, because that's the only pair that it is listed as, is SafeMoon USDT. So use your VPN, then you're gonna transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to Bitmart. Okay, that's the cheapest way, guys, I'm telling you. If not, you can use your debit card, but either way, you're gonna end up with Bitcoin. And after you end up with the Bitcoin, then you're gonna go to Spot Standard, and you're gonna trade your Bitcoin into USDT Tether, which is pretty much a crypto that's stays at $1. It's pretty much like a digital dollar. So right now you have Bitcoin in your account that you transferred from Cash App. Then you'll have a USDT balance. You're going to pay a lot more fees, but if you have a Bitcoin balance, what you're going to do is, since you have Bitcoin in your account, you're going to sell your Bitcoin at whatever the price is. Okay, you could do a limit or market. Market charges more fees. Limit order, you get charged less fees, but you got to put in an exact price before it gets to it, and then it has to hit your price. You see what I'm saying? Let's just say market order, and then say you want to sell 100% of your Bitcoin because you're going to buy all of SafeMoon, right? So you'd hit 100%, and then you hit sell Bitcoin. That would transfer your Bitcoin into USDT Tether now. Now your balance is going to be whatever amount of Bitcoin you have in your account is worth in dollars. And that'll be in your balance is the Tether. So once you have the Tether in your balance, now it's time to buy SafeMoon. So once the Tether is in your balance, you're going to hit markets, then you're going to hit Spot Standard. It could be a little different for your mobile device, but this is for Mac and desktop. Okay, and then after you hit markets, you're going to go to search right here, and then make sure it's on USDT Tether. Go to search and type in SafeMoon. sold your Bitcoin into Tether, which is what you're gonna buy SafeMoon with now. That's SafeMoon. That's the big pair. That's the only place you could buy it right here. Okay, so you're on it. I clicked it. Now I'm on it, and you're gonna do the same thing as you did. It's pretty easy. The same thing as you did with the Bitcoin. You come down here. Like I said, market orders, you get charged a bigger fee for the trade, and limit orders, I believe you get you gain. They pay you, but it's hard to have you type in a price and have it trigger that price, because you have to put the price, if you're gonna long it, you have to put the price underneath it, and then it has to come down and trigger it. And if you're gonna short it, you have to put the price above it, and it has to go up and trigger your short. You see, but yeah, this is how you do it. So you'd put in market order if you'd want to buy it right away. Total amount, how much Tether. Again, it's like a digital dollar. So say you had 100 in Bitcoin that you exchanged over, so $100 or 100 USDT Tether, or 100% of your account, whatever. And you'd go to buy SafeMoon. Bam, click buy SafeMoon, and your order would be put in. And now you would have SafeMoon on your Bitmart exchange account in your spot wallet. After that, there's many different wallets and things you can do with it, on where you want to store it, where you want to keep it safe. There's look it up, or I have videos, or you could look up videos where to keep your crypto safe, or what wallets, after you buy the SafeMoon. But that's how you buy SafeMoon on Bitmart. Again, guys, if you use my referrals, it'll really help my channel, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll get more content like this out there for you guys. Thanks. You guys have a good one.